Hi everybody, Stacey here from Referral Factory. Today I'm going to show you how to create a referral program or affiliate program that integrates directly with Stripe. This means you can easily track which of your referrals qualify based on how much they spend. You can also use Stripe to issue coupons or credits as rewards. All you need is a trial or active Referral Factory account and of course a Stripe account. And the great news is that you don't need a developer. Using these tools, you can create a fully automated referral program without writing a line of code. Here's what I'll cover in this video. Step 1, how to create your referral program using Referral Factory. Step 2, how to integrate your referral program with Stripe to automate tracking your referrals. Step 3, how to set up automatic rewards and incentives. And Step 4, how to get your customers or affiliates referring. If you don't already have a Referral Factory account, you can create a free trial to get started. Once you're in, you'll need to create the base of your referral program, what we call a campaign. If you go ahead and enter your website here, you'll see that Referral Factory does all the heavy lifting for you. Now that you've created a campaign, you'll see that you have all the components you need: pages, emails, and more. All you need to do is customize the creative and the copy so your program looks and feels 100% on brand. Right, once you've built your referral program, let's go ahead and connect Referral Factory up with Stripe in the integration step. All you need to do is click Connect and authorize your Stripe account. Now it's time to set up your integration so that you can track and manage your referrals on autopilot. This is how it works. When you get a new referral, Referral Factory can automatically create a new customer in Stripe and track their spend within a certain time frame. When the customer reaches the target, they will be marked as a successful referral, which could in turn automatically trigger a reward to the person who referred them. You'll see here that you have some options to protect yourself against self-referrals and refunds. Now don't forget to hit Save Qualification Settings. There is one final step to create a webhook in Stripe, which might sound intimidating, but actually all you need to do is click on the link we provide, add the endpoint we give you, and then hit Add Endpoint. And we're done. It's that simple. The next step is to set up your rewards and incentives. You can actually issue all sorts of different rewards using Referral Factory, including cash and gift cards in multiple currencies, so I'd recommend checking out all of your options. But if you do want to use Stripe to issue your rewards, you can automatically fire off coupons or credits based on the rules you set. Now you can reward the person referring and you can incentivize the friend, but the setup is pretty much the same, so I'll show you how to set up a reward for the person referring. You'll start by adding a reward. Over here you can give your reward a name, we select person referring, and of course connect it to your campaign. Over here we select Stripe, and in the next step you'll see that you can choose from a simple mechanic or a more complicated tiered system. Whichever you choose, you can then go and decide whether to issue a credit or to select one of your Stripe coupons. Once you are ready, you click Next and Activate. And that's that. Once you've built your referral program, connected it with Stripe, and set up your rewards, the final step is to get your customers or affiliates referring, and you have many different ways to do this. For example, you could invite people to register to refer. You could sync your Stripe customers to automatically generate their links and send them into Stripe as metadata. You could upload a CSV file and email people their links. You could add a referral widget or pop-up to your website or web app. Or you could add your customers via API. I'll drop a link in the description below with a full list of how to add users, generate their referral links, and get them referring. Okie dokie, so that's how you can create a referral program or an affiliate program and integrate it with Stripe to automate your tracking and even issue rewards and incentives. As I mentioned, you can try Referral Factory for free for 15 days, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below or book a free demo. Thanks so much for watching and best of luck with all your referral marketing efforts.